This video is available in English and Hindi. Namaskar and welcome back to Simplify Your Space. I hope you're all doing well. Lately, I have been receiving numerous comments inquiring about the origin of my sofa set and center table in my living room. Many of you have requested a dedicated video on this topic. As I embark on today's mission to tidy and reorganize my living room, it presents me an opportunity for living room tour and items kept there. Additionally, we will look at how I have organized my TV unit. Without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, today's project involves a little cushion cover revamp. I've actually treated myself to a bunch of these gorgeous and elegant cushion covers from Home Center. Here is a nifty little trick I have picked up over time. You know how cushion fillers tend to get all flat and sad looking after a while? It's like they have lost their cushion mojo. So what's my solution? Well, instead of just popping in one filler, I go for a double-decker approach. 2 fillers in one cushion cover. It's like a mini fluff miracle. Check out how perfectly plump and snug they look now. Sure, you could also transfer the filling from one cushion to another. But trust me, this method saves both your precious time and a bit of effort. The other set of cushion covers with fancy print is saved for the upcoming festivities. So I have neatly folded them up. I have got this elegant looking box with a lid from IKEA, and that's where I store the daily newspapers. Now let's look at the center table. It has 3 drawers. In one of them I store curtain ties and a few other essentials. There is a scented candle, a dainty candle holder, some fragrance cones, and of course a trusty matchbox. Time to check out the other side. These drawers only open halfway. Usually remote controls find their place there. Since the plan is to clean today, I am using these disinfectant wipes to give them a good wipe down. I have kept a packet right here for any quick cleanups and spills. A tissue paper box here. That's mainly backup for our guests, especially when enough cloth napkins are not available. Coasters are placed here. There is a big drawer on the side. An electric diffuser is placed there along with a bunch of essential oils. Some stationery basics, pen, pencil, eraser, a handful of paper notes, and spare remote batteries. Then there are the occasional use remotes like the Tata Sky and ceiling light controllers. We got this table from Austin Sofa Store in Bengaluru. Marble top finish adds a unique touch to it. Due to its heavy weight, it is not easy to move around daily. I rely on regular vacuuming for our daily cleaning routine. Let's see the sofas next. They are also sourced from the same store as the table, but it is a custom creation designed to our needs and room specifications. It is made of quality leather. Daily cleaning involves just a damp cloth. Abrasive cleaners are strictly off limits to prevent any damage to the leather and marble. Wider armrests are given that have storage underneath. Wood inserts added to the armrest for placing cups or glasses conveniently. The three-seater is recliner. The reclining switches and a USB charging port are conveniently located on the side. They offer an array of choices, all customizable to your preferences. Our old brown puffies were transformed into these stylish yellow leather pieces, serving as extra seating. The grey carpet is from IKEA. It is soft and welcoming underfoot. This elegant lamp floor is another IKEA find. On the opposite side, our old side table holds the landline and extension phone with the Wi-Fi router neatly concealed within a basket. While the table is a bit small for the space, it still serves its purpose perfectly. Wooden planks on the side of the back wall complement the overall setup. There is yet another side table by the two-seater couch. Originally, it had glass that was accidentally damaged, and I decided to repurpose it. A wooden plank with the same laminate as our TV unit gave it a new lease on life, making it both functional and stylish. And that book-shaped box, it's a DIY project I shared a while ago. I use it to store receipts and bills. Adding to the aesthetics are the beautiful beige embroidery sheer curtains and cream-colored blackout curtains, both sourced from Home Center. Moving to the other side, we have the TV unit and a tall storage unit. This drawer serves as a practical storage spot for all cushion covers, tablecloths, and couch throws. The top shelf, however, has been somewhat neglected. It's been holding sealed boxes that I'm yet to unpack. Given its not so easy access, I've decided to make a change. I will be clearing out those items and turning this space into a storage hub for extra decor pieces, like candles, vases, and those festive items that really shine during special occasions, dinners, and photo shoots. As you might notice, I am not one for heavy day-to-day decorations. These finds are more for those occasional moments. Now onto the tall storage shelf. Initially designed to house badminton rackets, a bag for badminton shoes, my son's school backpack, and other odds and ends, it gradually turned into a chaotic jumble where the rackets had a tendency to fall whenever we accessed items in the front. So to restore order and accessibility, I have decided to install some self-adhesive hooks inside. These nifty hooks now make it easy to hang the badminton rackets securely without the risk of falling down. One hook now carries my son's bicycle helmet and the other hook holds his backpack. This tall unit also features a few open shelves that function as display area for decorative items. The clock you see here is from Home Center, and it's high time I change its battery. It's been displaying the wrong time for a while now. And that miniature instrument you spot was a delightful find from Vizag during a recent visit. Moving on to the TV unit, the back wall have wooden paneling covered in Duco paint. It also features a specialized storage area beneath, tailored to accommodate gadgets like the set-top box, DVD player, and Xbox while neatly concealing the wires. Extra storage space comes in handy for some essentials. Because this storage unit has fluid glass panels that are somewhat translucent, I have chosen to maintain a neat aesthetic by placing items in baskets. These items mainly consist some exercise equipment and important cables like HDMI and a small UPS, all essential for connecting with the TV. I've also decided to move few of our family albums, including my wedding album here. They were previously stashed away in a deep storage area, often forgotten. Placing them here allows us to look at them once in a while. Shifting focus, let's discuss the plants in the living room. These are mainly low maintenance varieties that don't require much attention. There is beautiful marble money plant and a monstera that adds to the aesthetics. The pots are from IKEA. This side a snake plant sits pretty in a basket. These are incredibly easy to care for. Here is the Syngonium thriving beautifully in its water-filled habitat. And right on the center table you will find a pothos enjoying the same aquatic lifestyle. Their pots are also from IKEA. Adjacent to the sliding door there sits an areca palm. However, its size seems a bit inadequate for the area. I'm planning to replace it with a larger and more voluminous areca palm to better suit the space. And that's all about my living room. The living room is undoubtedly my favorite space in our home. I spend plenty time here with family and friends. I often find myself enjoying a peaceful moment here with a book and a cup of coffee. The living room also offers pleasant view, especially during monsoons, and I find myself gazing outside and soaking in the beauty. I hope you enjoyed this concise living room tour and organization journey. I will provide links to the items in the description box. See you all next week. Bye bye.